Something funny. Wait, knock knock, who's there? You. Yahoo! And give it back. The camera's off. Give it back. So did you enjoy that? What did you buy? Yeah. So which one are we picking today? This one. I literally got nothing to do. And I'm supposed to be vlogging so I could post something this week. But there's nothing to do. All I see is dolls. No, actually, all I see is dolls. They're just like right there looking at me. My sister is in here. We're gonna scare her. We need to stop eating all these junks that they're feeding us. Vegetable and fruit, that's all you need.
Welcome to my channel. Are you collecting any points? What can I get for you?
Can I get a cheeseburger? Delicioso. I wonder what time it is. Only if I had a clock. Something funny. Wait, knock knock, who's there? You. Yahoo! You got like a bubble saliva on your lip. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my autistic brother. He's got like Down syndrome, something like that. Yeah. Look at him. Look at what we're doing right now.
500 likes and you'll buy me a electric scooter.
Why's your teeth like that? Why's your teeth like that? Electric scooter if you show us your teeth right now. Nah, you need braces. I think I'll get you some braces instead.
Yes! Yes!
We're begging for food. We're begging for food.
Yes!
He just said to show my face tats. It's Canada Day, so there's like Canada stuff on my face.
Yeah, it's not Canada Day today.
Okay,
What's
tell me
Canada
next week.
Wait, what's Canada's Day?
Next week.
No, like what day specifically?
I don't know. I have a question. What are those?
Whatever.
Huh?
Whatever.
Dog. Nah, I said it first.
Yeah,
I said it first. I said it first. Over here. Over here. I can never have a proper conversation with you. Hey guys, I found this little kid in the street and today we're gonna be feeding him some sushi. We're here at Malado? No. And we're also gonna be giving him some money. Here, you could spend anything you want with my credit card. Okay, give it back. The camera's off. Give it back. So did you enjoy that? What did you buy? Yeah. What are you doing right now? Get your hands off my steering wheel. What if that's a cop? What if that's a cop? Hey, good morning guys. Today we're gonna be going to my brother's graduation.
I just wanna bring it back some more.
You wanna say hi to my vlog?
That's not how it works.
Oh, I guess not. My brother doesn't know it yet, but we're gonna surprise him with his electric scooter. He's been talking about the electric scooter for like over a month now and he wants it so badly. I think it's from Best Buy. If Best Buy has it today, we're gonna buy it from the store. If not, we're gonna buy it on Amazon and he's gonna be waiting for a few days, unfortunately. B, this is going to my vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Reg, say hi.
Hi.
What do you guys think about me being a vlogger now? What do you guys think about me being a vlogger now?
Pwede set up mo din.
Ignored. Let's say something funny.
Bakit yung ngipin mo?
My 10,000 subscribers, they don't speak Tagalog.
Oh, they don't.
Oh, hi. I got a stick. Sungkit. Sungkit.
What's sungkit?
Yung ngipin niya.
Mas maganda yung ngipin ko kay honey mo.
No way.
Parang heart.
Ngiti ka nga.
It looks so bad.
It's so cute. Maubos ng pagkain.
I need to fart. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? That was loud. Guys, there's an airplane in front of me. There's an airplane in front of me. Look, a pilot. Guys, I want you guys to see something. I want you guys to see something. Ooh, yeah. What am I supposed to do today? This mic is not even connected.